In this video, we will review a problem about the number of deer at a certain area. Please pause the video and read the problem. So, in this problem, a formula is given to us to calculate the number of deer. Let's review a couple things. How many deer were initially on the reserve? Initially, it means you need to find the initial value, and initial value is the same as a beginning value when time is equal to 0. It means we need to substitute 0 for t into the formula and calculate the value. So n of 0 is equal to, I will show you how to calculate the value on TI-83 calculator. It will be 12.31 divide. We have to put the denominator inside of parentheses. So you will open the parentheses like this. 0.03 plus 0.58. Power is right here to the power 0. And you have to close the parentheses like this. And the answer is 11.951. Now you need to read carefully, and you see that you have to round your answer down to the nearest whole number. If we round our answer down, the final answer will be 11 deer. We will not round up our answer because we were asked to round our answer down. Now I will show you how you can do the same problem on TI-84 calculator. TI-84 is a little bit easier to use because you can press the green button alpha and then y equal to, and you will choose the fraction, and you will type 12.31 on the top of the fraction. Then you will move down and you will type 0.03 plus 0.58, again to the power 0. Enter. And you see that you will get the same answer. Now we need to calculate n of 8. It means that we have to substitute 8 for t into the formula and calculate the value. N of 8 equal to, and I will use first of all show how to calculate your value on TI-83 calculator. Clear 12.31 divide. Don't forget to type divide. It's where students make mistakes. Open the parentheses, 0.03 plus 0.58, and power is right here. But this time it will be to the 8th power, and close the parentheses. So the answer is 287.57. But again, we have to round our answer to round down, so the answer will be 287 deer. And again, it's much easier to use the calculator TI-84. You will press the button up and up again, Press enter. And now the only things we need to do, we need to change 0 to 8. So I will press to the left, to the left, to the left, and I will type 8 instead of 0. Press enter, and I will get the same answer that we got already. Explain the meaning of the number you have calculated. So we see that n of 8 is equal to 287, and we know that it will be dear. So you can say that after 8 years, there should be 287 deer in the reserve. Should be because we don't know for sure. We have a mathematical model. We can predict approximately the number of deer. The next question is express the number of deer present after certain year using functional notation. Functional notation is the easiest question that you will have in your homework, quizzes, and tests, and the final exam. This question is so easy that students like to complicate it. So let's see, what kind of function do we have in this problem? We have function n of t. Now we know that our t is equal to 13. So the answer is n of 13. This is the functional notation. This is the final answer, and you do not have to calculate its value. N of 13 represents the number of deer in the reserve after 30 years of observation. Calculate this number. Okay, n of 13 equal to, and I will use my 84 calculator, go up, up, enter, and I will change 8 to 13, enter, and I will round my answer down right away. So the answer is 399 deer. And the last question for this problem is, how much increase in the deer population do you expect from the 8th to the 13th years? So we have to find the difference between 399, it was the 13th years, the number of deer in the 13th year, and we know that n of 8 is 287, and the answer will be 112 deer.